you learn stuff during that break time. His breath is different, you know, like he's thinking more and she's taking things more also from him.
You're gloating.
I'm not.
It was close.
I still beat you.
You beat me sooner.
Not even
Defense.
a congrats?
When white moves to king 4, black does this.
Squares have names.
You didn't tell her that?
Names.
Mm.
That. Just play.
Is switching. There is a word for that. You know, when in games like that, in tennis also, when you are going mad, when you are not there anymore, not really into the game anymore. These pills.
That isn't what you taught me.
Yes. I've got the spirits, the symbolic of these
Those
scenes.
things are called opening.
She's learning stuff with chess, but not
Queen's Gambit.
personal life, you know, social life.
I'm playing white.
From now on, we take turns. It's the way the game should be played.
Me.
Are you gonna admit that she's really good?
Modern chess openings.
It's the best book for you.
Thank
You'll
you.
need to learn chess notation before you can read it. The names of the squares. How old are you?
9.
9 years old. You're astounding.
Thank you
Nobody heard it.
for telling her, you know.
Too cold, always. Still, the dead one. This is Mr. Gans from the chess club.
Chess club?
You play in the club. I'm also coach of the high school team.
Can we trust...
Would you like to play me a game?
We are trusting him, so I'm ready to trust you also.
That's made in 3.
No.
You certainly know the game, young lady.
She does.
You have a team here, so where do you play?
Down here, playing my head.
In your head.
On the ceiling?
Do you have the right to be here, you?
Thank you very much.
She's being polite.
Do you want another game?
She's beginning to be bored. She already knows.
I move my queen to rook 4. Check.
The bishop blocks. Made in 3. First check is with the queen. The king must take.
She got you.
Sweet Jesus.
Both of you.
Would you mind, Beth? If I took your picture, I'd love to tell the kids in the chess club about you.
They're not supposed to do that, to play like that. I'm not sure of having a proof of it.
Say queen.
Queen.
I'm sure you know that he had a good intention, but
He would like you to be taken to the high school
On
on
Thursday.
Thursday. He maintains that you are a phenomenal chess player.
We have
Are you gonna
dozen
accept?
members, and I was suggesting to Mrs. Deerdorf that you come along and play all of them in a simultaneous.
What do you say, Elizabeth?
yes,
Do you want to play chess at the high school?
Yes.
go out,
I like
kid.
to.
Elizabeth,
Don't tell.
I'm told that you've been playing chess with our custodian. Have you gone to the basement?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we can't have that.
Why not?
I believe we have chess sets in the game closet. I'll have Ferguson look into that.
There's one missing.
That's it.
There they are, right behind you.
I know where they are, Armin, but I'm not gonna give you any. New state law. No more tranquilizers for kids.
It's good, you know, that they're not giving these pills to kids anymore. I hope that... No, I know that it's gonna change something for you. Don't I want to say I hope that it's not gonna impact her, you know, that she's gonna deal with it well and all. Because of the opening scene, you know, I'm like, no, that's gonna impact her for life.
Can I talk a bit? Just for a second, wish I luck.
Sure, go ahead.
You're gonna give her one.
Good luck.
That's nice and sweet, but that's bad. She's gonna play with all of them. Ah! You want to defeat us? And only men. She's gonna... Against all of them? Come on, girl. Show them.
What surprised me was how bad they played.
Nah!
They left backward pawns all over the place.
You're saying that to who?
A few of them tried stupid mania attacks. This boy, Charles Levy, he was supposed to be the best. I had his pieces tied up in 15 moves.
You should get back.
Be careful, Russ. Jolene,
Hey,
do you have any more vitamins?
don't be rude. This is Samantha. She just got here. How'd the exhibit go? You doing okay?
Fine,
Excellent.
Daddy.
I don't want to hear about it.
No, Daddy.
No, not all of it. You're clever. No, 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 no! No! Take some into your pockets and all. Don't do that. Oi, oi, oi. I'm gonna love this show. I already know that, you know. With long episodes like that, with the first one, you already know if you're gonna love it or not, if you love the atmosphere of it, if you love the characters, the story, all of that. I already feel that I can really love it. I'm already really liking it, but I'm not loving it yet. It's gonna come, I think, with episode 2. Because of the fact that this is an historic show and I love historic show, because of the fact that this is a story that I can appreciate with a character, the main character that I can appreciate, you know, a woman, a girl right now, a little girl who has capacities, you know, for something, good capacities, wonderful capacities for something, for chess right there, and who is just showing to men how it's done. Of course I'm gonna love a character like that, a female character like that. How it's written is really well written. We have also good characters, good second characters, which are really interesting and which are already well written. We have already aspects, you know, for these characters. Jolene, she's not just that friend for Elizabeth. Elizabeth, Beth, Lizzie, how are we gonna name her really? She has plenty of names already in just one episode. I'm gonna go for Elizabeth for now. And Jolene, you know, she's not only our friend, she's okay our friend. She taught her stuff about dirty words, about dirty stuff, but she taught her also about the pills, and she's also there for her for the exhibit, you know, giving her this pill. And after that, she's also there for Elizabeth, telling her, you need to calm down, I can't give you any more pills. you've got someone new, please say hi, be polite. You know, she's not only the friend, she's already deeper than that in just one episode. You know, normally with the first episode of a new show, a show that you are beginning, during the first episode they have the time to present you the main character, to maybe go a little deeper into this character, to his or her past background, to show us some of his or her aspects, you know, moods, I don't know how to say it in another way, to show what the story is going to be about, the main story of the season or of the show is going to be about, for a mini show like that, for the show, for the entire show. And the atmosphere of it, you know, how it's gonna be right there. I don't know if you saw it, but it's really the color brown with taking all of the place to remind us the chess, you know, the board. I think that you are saying it like that in English, you know, the case and all. It's to remind us these colors, and it's also dark and all, maybe to tell us that this is flashbacks and the older flashbacks, and also maybe the darkest flashbacks of this character. Beginning really the story with a little girl who just lost her mom. Her mom killed herself and maybe also tried to kill her daughter at the same time. We have a father who is giving up on his daughter. We have her going to an orphanage place. Into this place they are drugging the kids. She's beginning to be addicted to these pills. Okay, she's also making a friend and she's learning how to play chess, but really, except for that, this episode was really dark, so the color of it was also really important. I think that it was dark because of the fact that it was to show us that this is a flashback and this is one of the darkest flashbacks and one of the oldest flashbacks. But it was dark, not dark like The Haunting of Bly Manor can be. I'm editing the videos right now, so I can tell you that. In The Haunting of Bly Manor, it's dark because they are using the color dark, because this is an horror show, a psychological show, because it's to play with us, with appearances of ghosts and stuff like that. Right now they are not playing with that, with surprises, with jump scares and all. They are using dark for these reasons, but I think that they prefer to use brown as a dark color because of the chess, but also because of this sepia thing, you know, that you are using for flashbacks. That's interesting. They are also using a lot the color beige, I don't know how you are saying it, with her clothes, you know, with Elizabeth's clothes. I don't know if you saw that, but she's also wearing that kind of clothes, brown and beige. Also the chessboard. I don't know, maybe I'm going too far, but I can see things like that. And you know, okay, it's well written, the story is well written, we have good lines, we have good situations, and everything is smooth, and we had some scenes which were interesting, and after that we had scenes, you know, to show us that she's learning stuff, and she's learning it quick, but also days are passing, you know, and that's bringing risk into this first episode to show us that we have different kind of timing, that we are evolving into that thing and not into that thing, you know, that parallel between the fact that she was learning stuff about chess but she knew nothing about social life, about boys and all, and that she's not learning anything about that except for what Jolene said. That was also really great, really well written. So yes, it's a clever first episode for the main character, but also for the other characters. We already know other stuff about them. For the story, for how it was written, you know, the lines and just the story, how it was functioning, scenes between each other, also how it was done, the colors, the music also were great and important. That was really great, and we had also already during the first episode messages like all of this thing about, you know, giving drugs to kids. Okay, at the end they are not giving them anymore to the kids because now it's forbidden, but it's also a message, the fact that during entire years they made them addict, you know, to these drugs, to these pills. Right there I think that Elizabeth, she took them during maybe less than 1 year, but all of the other ones, that's an interesting message, you know, that's an interesting thing to put also into your show. Okay, it's going with the story, again, which is based on a novel, so they had to talk about it, but that's also something about the show that I can appreciate. You know me, if you don't know me, you're gonna learn it quick because I'm repeating it a lot. I love shows when they are doing 3 things, when they can do 3 things at the same time. I love them. To write good characters and to make good development for them, to make a good story and to write it in a clever way, you know, not like in an easy way, like they are taking the viewers by the end, showing them that and that. No, you can write it in a smooth way without being easy. And when they are putting messages also into the show, into episodes, when they are showing stuff, you know, when they are making us think about stuff that we already knew or not. And see, right there, I didn't know that they were doing that to kids, so it's making me think about the consequences of that and all. So I have the 3 things that I love about show in just the first episode of a new show that I'm discovering, so that's why also I can tell you that I can really quick love this show. Maybe the little negative thing that I can say about this first episode is the fact that we don't know, in fact, a lot. I mean, we know a lot about Elizabeth, you know, we know her past, we know her background with her mom and her dad. We know that she's more into intellectual things than into social things, you know, social life and all. But we don't know a lot about what is happening into her head, you know, her feelings, her emotions. She's not showing anything. Okay, the character is made like that, you know, she's like that. This is something I think about her character, the fact that she's cold, the fact that she's not showing anything. But I would be interested, you know, to see more emotion on her face. For the first episode, it's maybe too early, maybe, you know, this is just a mini show, just 1 season with 7 episodes, so maybe we're gonna have a breakdown, you know, maybe she's gonna have a mental breakdown and we are gonna see really her emotions more with the episode 5 or 6, not before that. Because she is like that, this is a character who is like that. Okay, this is a little girl, and for a little girl who lost her mom like that, you could expect more emotions. But if we are thinking about the fact that she was with her crazy mom since a long time, that she saw her father giving up on her and all, she's used, you know, to say nothing. So that's almost logical also that she's that cold, that closed and all. That final scene, she was stupid. I mean, she's supposed to be clever and all. That was fucking stupid to take all of these pills all in once. Did you hear that? Really, I'm trying to not judge my neighbor, to be like, okay, he's passing his nerves on his garden during this confinement. Il tond sa putain de pelouse tous les jours. He's not gonna have any at the end. I don't understand. I'm trying to not judge, but it's fucking annoying, you know, the sound of it each day. And to film with it, that's even more annoying. I hope that it's not disturbing for you, but... Yes, I was saying that she's supposed to be clever, but at the end what she did was really not clever. She's gonna go to an hospital, you know, after that. Just to clean her stomach, and they help her, you know, to not be an addict anymore. I don't think so, because really we began the show with her taking pills with alcohol and all, so it's almost like they are telling us the story for how she became that master, you know, on chess, but they are also telling us how she began to be an addict, you know. The two stories are working together, okay, but they are telling us both of these stories. You can see that right now I have the time to watch one more episode, so it's all for you for today. Don't ask me when you're gonna have these videos, these reaction videos. Again, I want to finish to post you my reaction videos about The Haunting of Bly Manor before beginning to post you something about The Queen's Gambit. You know my rule, I'm finishing to post you things about a show before beginning a new one, when this show is already out, you know, since a long time. So I don't know when you're gonna have it. You're gonna have it one day, we'll see. And it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.